Hi class, we have the 8th class for vectors. We have 1 here, 2, 3, 4 problems to solve, but we are given that f is the point 1 minus 4. F is the point 1 minus 4. These are the coordinates of point F. Then A is to find what? Vector Fg. The arrow at the top shows it's a vector. That is from F to G plus GH. Okay, so what is FG? Is 8 minus 3. GH is minus 12, 35. So those are the top. We have 8 plus times minus minus 12. Those we have down minus 3 plus times plus is plus 35. This sign is not is for both the one at the top and this one here. So 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Minus 3 plus 35 is 32. So this is the first one. B, the coordinate of the point G. We want to find G. So it's like we need something with X and Y values. We need G. Yeah. So if we need G, we are given what? GH, sorry, FG, GH. Then we have point F. So what we do is, let us try to find, let's see if we have any vector that relates G and F. We need points G. So let's see if we are given any vector that related with what? F and G. And it is this one, FG. Sorry, this one, FG. So we say FG is equal to, in terms of coordinates, is O the second letter, which is G, minus O the first letter, which is F. Vector Fg, there is another formula. But because of we want to find the coordinate of G, we are given Fg, and we have F. This one is a point, this one is a point. So therefore, this is the formula we use. O the second letter all the time, minus O the first letter. Don't forget the arrows, because that tells what? They are vectors. Are we given Fg? Yes. Fg is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Are we given OG? G is what we want. If you want, you keep writing it this way. If you want, you replace it with XY. No problem. So OG minus. Are we given F? Yes. Point F, converting it to vector, so it has to stand like this. 1 minus 4. When you are given a pair of coordinates to represent a point, but you want to write it in vector, it has to appear like this. Even if it's given otherwise, it has to be like this. So the next thing is 8 minus 3. Let's move this to the other side. When moving this one, some people make this mistake. We don't change the inner signs, we change this sign. Yeah. So if this one goes to the left, plus 1 minus 4, so which is equal to OG. So now OG is equal to this with this, so 8 plus 1. So down here, minus 3, plus times minus minus 4. So OG is equal to 9 minus 7. But we don't want it in a point because, sorry, in a vector form, the coordinate. So therefore, we say G like this, 9 minus 7. These are the coordinates of G. Okay. C. What do we want C? C is 3FG. 3 vector FG. 3 is a scalar, just like when you say 2x coefficient. Yeah, 2x, coefficient of x is 2. So the scalar here is 3. So this is 3 multiply. What is FG? FG is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, which is equal to 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times this one is minus 9. Just that. Yeah. So the next one is to find the magnitude of what? GH. The magnitude of GH. Okay. I don't want to erase so that you'll be able to see everything, especially for those who are interested in copying. The magnitude of vector GH. Are we given GH? Yes, GH. So we say GH, this is the vector. But because of magnitude, you have to enclose it like this. So this is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the component of that vector. GH has minus 12, 35. So if we want to find the magnitude, we say minus 12. This way is wrong. It has to be in bracket like this, plus 35 squared. So this is 12 squared minus 12 squared is 144. Of course, squaring numbers with 5 as the last, that one is easy, because 5 squared is 25. What is the next upper number after 3 is 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. So 35 squared is 1225. So this will give us 5 with 4 is 9, 2 with 4 is 6, 2 with 1 is 3, 1. So 1369. Let's see what the calculator gives us. Square root of 1369 is 37. So this is what we have for lesson 8. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in my next video.